Today, I'm going to be talking about red-eye flights and how to pack for them effectively. Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to making these late-night trips more bearable? Guess what? There is. Heading to your vacation destination on a red-eye flight means you're departing in the evening and arriving the next morning, making the most of your time. But let's not sugarcoat it, red-eye flights can be tough on even the seasoned traveler. Don't worry too much about the challenges, focus on preparation. A well-packed carry-on bag is the ticket to transforming your flight into a restful transition rather than a restless night. You can always adjust your approach down the road, but for now, I'm here to help you nail down those must-have items. These are your essentials, the non-negotiables that cater to comfort, convenience, and care, ensuring you deplane feeling refreshed and ready for your adventure. Ultimately, this isn't just about stuffing your bag with random items, it's about selecting gear that resonates with you and suits the specific demands of overnight travel. This includes pillows, noise management gadgets, and wearable comforts to combat the chill of the airplane cabin. Up next, we'll delve right into the details of ensuring your personal comfort on a red-eye flight. Personal comfort items, ensuring restful travel. I'm going to let you in on a secret. Personal comfort items can turn a red-eye flight from a nightmare into a dream. Now, while there's no one-size-fits-all for comfort, certain items consistently prove their worth at 30,000 feet. First up, let's talk about your next best friend on a flight, the travel pillow. We've all had those neck cramps from dozing off at awkward angles, right? Choose something that resonates with you, whether it's an inflatable pillow for space saving or a memory foam pillow for unrivaled comfort. You're going to find out about the magic of eye masks. Slip one on, and voila, you're in your own personal dark room. Block out those pesky cabin lights and signal your body it's time to rest with a mask that's comfy on your eyes. Don't worry too much about the style, focus on the blackout factor and the fit. Next, earplugs or noise-canceling headphones come into play. I can't emphasize enough how much these little gadgets contribute to creating a cocoon of silence. From babies crying to the constant drone of the engines, blocking out noise is key to a restful flight. And my personal favorite, a wearable blanket or travel-sized throw. Airplane cabins often get chilly, and a warm layer that you can snuggle into makes all the difference. Choose a blanket that's lightweight, compact, and soft to the touch. You can always adjust your approach down the road and find the perfect travel blanket that suits your needs. Pack these personal comfort must-haves, and you're well on your way to mastering the art of the red-eye flight. Stay tuned, as more essential tips are on the horizon, especially for those of you who like to stay plugged in even while soaring above the clouds. Portable electronics, staying connected and entertained. Imagine you're several hours into the quiet hum of the aircraft, cruising at altitude. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret to making the most of this time. It's the golden age of portable electronics, and they can be your best travel companions. Ensuring that your devices are packed and ready is a surefire way to turn a mundane flight into a productive or entertaining experience. First off, power is paramount. There's nothing worse than reaching for your device to find it dead as a doorknob. So, make sure you pack chargers and power banks. A durable power bank can recharge your phone or tablet multiple times, letting you stay connected from takeoff to touchdown. An e-reader or tablet with preloaded content is a game changer. You can catch up on your favorite books, dive into new ones, or binge-watch that series everybody's been talking about. The key is to download everything you need beforehand. Streaming isn't an option at 30,000 feet. Remember, once you land, you're going to need some key information at your fingertips. Download offline maps and travel guides for your destination. They can be lifesavers when you're navigating new terrain. You can always adjust your approach down the road, but having a solid foundation to start from is essential. Lastly, I'd recommend a suite of travel apps. Whether it's a language translation app, currency conversion, or local information guides, these tools help smooth out any cultural wrinkles. Choose apps that you find intuitive and helpful. There's a lot of opportunity to make your travel experience smoother here. Travel documentation, a step towards smooth transit. I'm going to give you a heads up on what you need to remember about travel documents when flying red-eye. This isn't just about remembering to pack your passport, it's also about being prepared for any hiccups along the way. Keeping travel documents accessible but secure is critical. Choose something that resonates with you, whether it's a neck wallet, a travel belt, or a secure compartment in your carry-on. The goal here is to ensure your essential items are both easy to reach and protected against loss or theft. Don't worry too much about losing documents, but always prepare for the worst. I recommend having multiple copies of important documents like your ID, passport, and travel insurance information. Keep one set with you and another in your checked luggage if you're bringing any. It's better to be safe than sorry. Using travel wallets or document organizers can streamline your journey. These organizers not only store your documents but often come with dedicated pockets for other necessities, ensuring everything has its place. You're going to find out about the value of digital backups, so bring along a smartphone or electronic device for storing digital copies. Ensure your phone is charged and has all the necessary apps and information for your trip. This way, if your physical copies go missing, you're still covered. If you want to transition smoothly into health and sanitation aspects of your travel, think about what you'll need to stay well on your flight. After all, arriving at your destination in good health is just as important as arriving with your luggage. In the next section, I'm going to help you with exactly that. Health and sanitation, prioritizing your well-being. You're going to find out about why prioritizing your health and sanitation is crucial during a red-eye flight. This isn't just about comfort, it's also about maintaining your health so you can enjoy your vacation from the moment you land. I'm here to help you with a list of items that should be in your carry-on to keep you feeling fresh and germ-free. If you want to keep the sniffles at bay, pack a small bottle of hand sanitizer. It's a real game changer in keeping your hands clean when water and soap aren't readily available. Be sure to throw in disinfectant wipes as well, perfect for giving your seat area a quick wipe down. Airplane surfaces can harbor more germs than you'd like to think about. Dehydration can sneak up on you in the cabin's dry air. You can always adjust your approach down the road, but for a red-eye flight, a collapsible water bottle is a must. It's airline compliant when empty and will save you from waiting for sporadic drink service. Also, don't forget a small bottle of eye drops, they're a blessing for tired, dry eyes. When it comes to toiletries, choose travel-size items that resonate with you and your needs. These might include your toothbrush, toothpaste, and a face cleanser to refresh your skin. I'd also suggest you consider a travel-size moisturizer. Plain air is not your skin's friend. And finally on the list, your prescriptions and a basic first aid kit should definitely make the cut. You never know when a headache might strike or you'll need a band-aid. Better safe than sorry, right? Moving on to savvy clothing choices, they're just as crucial. What you wear on a red-eye flight can really influence how well you rest and transition into vacation mode. So that's the strategy I like to leverage, and I'm going to talk about that in the next section. Conclusion: the well-packed red-eye flyer. In my opinion, packing effectively can make or break your red-eye flight experience. You've just seen a full rundown of the essential items to ensure your trip starts off without a hitch. Bringing along personal comfort items like a travel pillow and noise-canceling headphones helps you snatch some much-needed rest, even when you're thousands of feet in the air. Don't forget your portable electronics with all the necessary chargers. They keep you connected and entertained, transforming your flight into productive or relaxing personal time. Now what about travel documentation and health? Keep them in check. Not only do they ensure you breeze through transit, but they also guard against any unforeseen hiccups, healthcare-related or otherwise. And when it comes to savvy clothing choices for overnight flights, comfort is king. Dress in layers and pick pieces that offer mobility and coziness so that both you and your wardrobe can hit the ground running when you land. Remember, your first attempt at packing for a red-eye doesn't need to be your last. You can always adjust your approach down the road. But if you choose something that resonates with you from this list, you're already ahead of the game. So ensure that your next overnight flight is one characterized by convenience and relaxation. These strategies I've highlighted are going to set you up for a vacation that starts marvelously the moment you step on the plane. Safe travels, and here's to arriving refreshed and ready to make the most of your adventure. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you.